What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the animation, let's say the flying fabric? However, if you don't have the tool to create the animation or have no skill yet to create the animation, and you need it first to create your content, let's say the opening or the create the logo animation, don't worry guys, because this Meta AI will help you out. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this Meta AI, and don't forget to do the login first with your Facebook or also the Instagram account, since they are still in the one management. And after that, this will be the home page of the Meta AI, and also the look is quite simple but still very helpful for you. And if you scroll down, you will find a lot of video that has been made by another user over here. And the look is quite imaginative and also interesting. And if you would like to create the animation, so you can start to put your prompt into this section. For example, create the flying fabric the flying is, let's say I will type the color would be the color, let's say set in blue. The fabric is flying over the mountain, for example. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. Basically, this Meta AI will create you 4 samples of the animation, and each of them usually has the 5-second duration, guys. And don't worry, because you can also extend it into the 9 seconds, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And as you can see, this flying fabric is almost done, or this animation almost done. And for example, I will click it and let's see the result. So this will be the mountain, and also this is the flying fabric. And let's watch the result, or another result. This kind of the swirling fabric. And let's see the last one. Okay, this one is also beautiful, but I think I kind of fall in love with this one because this can be used to be the opening video. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, or you can also extend it by clicking this button and kindly wait for the process. And how to have the or see the result, basically the result will be in this section, or you can also close it, and this will be the extended video or the extended animation, guys. And this will be the downloaded fabric or flying fabric animation. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.